Hello, everyone. Listen carefully and repeat aloud, because every time you practice, your English becomes more fluent. Don't forget to subscribe.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'd like to buy a ticket to London, please.
Of course. Would you like a one-way ticket or a return ticket?
A return ticket, please. I'm planning to come back on Sunday evening.
All right. Do you prefer standard class or first class?
Standard class is fine, thank you.
Perfect. The next train leaves at 9:45 from platform 3. Would you like to take that one?
Yes, that's perfect. How long does the journey take?
It usually takes about 2 hours. You'll arrive in London at 11:45.
That works really well for me. Can I choose a seat?
Yes, you can. Do you prefer a window seat or an aisle seat?
A window seat, please. I enjoy looking outside during the journey.
Great. Here are your ticket and receipt. The price is £35.
Can I pay by credit card?
Certainly. Please insert your card and enter your PIN. Perfect. The payment is complete.
Wonderful. Does the train have a cafe or restaurant?
Yes, there is a cafe bar in the middle carriage. They sell coffee, tea, sandwiches, and snacks.
That sounds very nice. And is Wi-Fi available on the train?
Yes, there's free Wi-Fi for all passengers.
Good to know. I also have a large suitcase. Is that okay?
Yes, you can place it in the luggage rack near your seat or in the larger rack at the end of the carriage.
Great. Do I need to label my bag?
It, it's not required, but it's a good idea to put your name and phone number on it.
I'll do that. Thanks for the advice.
Do you also need information about connections when you arrive in London?
Yes, actually. How can I get to the city center from the station?
From London Station, you can take the Underground, a bus, or a taxi. The Underground is usually the fastest option.
Perfect. And how much does a taxi usually cost?
Around 20 to 25 pounds, depending on traffic.
That's very helpful, thank you.
Would you like a map of London or a train timetable for your return journey?
A map would be great, thank you.
Here you go. This one also shows the main attractions.
Oh, that's wonderful. I'll keep it with me.
By the way, if you like, you can also download our train app. It shows your ticket, platform changes, and train times in real time.
That sounds really useful. I'll download it later.
Excellent. Now, your train is boarding in about 20 minutes. You should start heading to platform 3 soon.
Okay. Where exactly is platform 3?
Just follow the signs on the left side. It's only a 2-minute walk from here.
Perfect. Thanks again for all your help.
You're very welcome. Have a pleasant trip to London.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye and safe travel.